Life, in its purest form, is a relentless pursuit of survival. It is a journey that begins at birth and continues until the very end. A constant struggle to overcome the odds and thrive in a world full of challenges. It is the driving force behind every action, every adaptation, and every instinctual behavior that living organisms exhibit. From the moment a seed germinates to the instant a predator pounces on its prey, survival is at the core of existence, and every decision made by living organisms. Whether it's a bird meticulously constructing its nest or a group of animals foraging for food, each action is a calculated move in the game of life. From the smallest microbe to the largest whale, the need to survive is paramount. Microbes invisible to the naked eye engage in complex behaviors to secure their survival, while whales traverse vast oceans in search of sustenance. Survival is not merely about staying alive, it is about navigating the challenges and seizing the opportunities presented by the environment. It involves hunting for food, finding shelter, and even using tools to gain an advantage. It is a testament to the resilience and adaptability inherent in all living things. A plant breaking through concrete or an animal enduring harsh weather conditions exemplifies the incredible tenacity of life. Survival is a symphony of intricate processes, both internal and external. The beating heart of an animal and the changing weather patterns of a landscape are all part of this complex dance. It requires a delicate balance between an organism's internal state and the demands of its surroundings. Drinking water to stay hydrated or spreading roots to absorb nutrients are just a few examples of this balance. Every species, over millennia, has developed unique strategies to ensure its continued existence. Evolution has shaped these strategies, allowing species to adapt to their ever-changing environments. These strategies are as diverse as the environments they inhabit, from the lush rainforests to the arid deserts. Each ecosystem presents its own set of challenges and opportunities, ranging from the camouflage of a chameleon, which allows it to blend seamlessly into its surroundings, to the migratory patterns of birds, which travel thousands of miles to find favorable conditions for breeding and feeding. The study of survival is a journey into the heart of life itself. Scientists dedicate their lives to understanding these processes, observing animals in their natural habitats, and uncovering the secrets of survival. It reveals the remarkable ways in which organisms have adapted to their environments, the challenges they face, and the ingenious techniques they employ to overcome obstacles, and the triumphs they achieve. A lioness catching her prey or a bird successfully completing its migration are moments of victory in the ongoing struggle for survival. It underscores the interconnectedness of all living things and the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Each organism, no matter how small, plays a role in the grand tapestry of life, contributing to the harmony and balance of our planet's ecosystems. The wild is a realm of constant struggle, where survival is not guaranteed. Every day, animals face a myriad of challenges that test their resilience and adaptability. Predators lurk, resources are finite, and the elements can be unforgiving. The harsh sun beats down on the arid landscapes, while torrential rains can turn the terrain into a treacherous quagmire. Yet life persists, a testament to the power of natural selection. Animals have learned to adapt, to find ways to thrive even in the most inhospitable environments. Animals have evolved an astonishing array of adaptations to survive in this challenging arena. From physical traits to behavioral strategies, each species has its own unique toolkit for survival. Camouflage, for instance, allows prey animals to blend seamlessly into their surroundings, evading the watchful eyes of predators. This natural disguise can mean the difference between life and death. The predator, in turn, has developed its own set of survival tools. Sharp claws, powerful jaws, and acute senses are just a few of the adaptations that make them formidable hunters. Speed, agility, and keen senses are essential for a successful hunt. Predators must be able to outmaneuver their prey, to anticipate their movements and strike with precision. Lions, with their powerful limbs and sharp claws, are apex predators capable of bringing down prey much larger than themselves. Their coordinated hunting strategies and social cooperation make them one of the most efficient hunters in the wild. The relationship between predator and prey is a delicate dance, a constant battle for survival that has shaped the evolution of both. Each encounter is a test of strength, speed and strategy. Survival in the wild extends beyond the individual. Many animals rely on social structures and group dynamics to enhance their chances of survival. Many species have developed complex social structures that enhance their chances of survival. These social bonds can provide protection, aid in hunting, and ensure the care of the young. Ants, for example, live in highly organized colonies, working together to gather food, defend their nest, and raise their young. Their cooperation and division of labor are key to their success. This cooperative approach to survival has allowed ants to thrive in diverse habitats across the globe. From the rainforests to the deserts, ants have mastered the art of working together to overcome the challenges of their environment. The animal kingdom is a testament to the power of adaptation. Over millions of years, animals have evolved a breathtaking array of survival mechanisms, each tailored to their specific ecological niche. The giraffe's long neck, for example, allows it to reach high into the trees to graze on leaves inaccessible to other herbivores. This adaptation provides a critical advantage in the competitive African savanna. In the frigid polar regions, animals have evolved equally remarkable adaptations to survive the extreme cold. Penguins, with their thick layers of blubber and densely packed feathers, are perfectly insulated against the icy temperatures. Their streamlined bodies and powerful flippers make them adept swimmers, allowing them to hunt for fish in the depths of the ocean. Migration is another remarkable survival strategy employed by many animal species. Birds, in particular, are renowned for their long-distance migrations, often traveling thousands of miles between their breeding and wintering grounds. These journeys, timed with the changing seasons, allow birds to exploit the most favorable conditions for feeding and raising their young. Section 4. The human instinct, wired for survival. Humans, like all animals, are equipped with a suite of survival instincts, deeply ingrained in our biology through millennia of evolution. These instincts are not merely remnants of our primitive past, they continue to shape our behavior, often in subtle and unconscious ways. Our innate fear of snakes and spiders, for example, likely stems from our ancestors' experiences with venomous creatures. Our ancestors relied on their senses, their physical prowess, and their capacity for cooperation to survive in a world fraught with danger. They developed tools, learned to control fire, and formed complex social structures that allowed them to thrive in diverse environments. These adaptations, passed down through generations, laid the foundation for the development of human civilization. The human brain, with its remarkable capacity for learning and problem-solving, is arguably our greatest survival tool. It allows us to anticipate threats, develop strategies to mitigate risk, and adapt to changing circumstances. Our ability to communicate complex ideas through language has fostered cooperation and innovation, further enhancing our chances of survival. Section 5. Fight or flight, the body's response to danger. In the face of imminent danger, the human body undergoes a cascade of physiological changes designed to prepare us for either fight or flight. This response is deeply rooted in our evolutionary history, ensuring our ancestors could survive threats from predators or other dangers in their environment. This instinctive response, known as the fight or flight response, is triggered by the release of hormones, primarily adrenaline and cortisol, into the bloodstream. These hormones act as messengers, signaling various organs and systems in the body to prepare for immediate action. These hormones trigger a surge of energy, increasing heart rate, blood pressure and respiration. The heart pumps faster to supply muscles with more oxygen, while breathing becomes rapid to increase oxygen intake. Blood flow is redirected from non-essential functions such as digestion to the muscles, preparing them for action. This ensures that the body is primed to either confront the danger head-on or make a swift escape. Our senses become heightened, our pupils dilate, and our awareness of our surroundings intensifies. This heightened state of alertness allows us to detect and respond to threats more effectively. This primal response, though often perceived as a surge of fear or anxiety, is in essence a survival mechanism, preparing us to confront or evade a threat. It is a finely tuned system that has evolved over millennia to keep us safe. While the fight or flight response is essential for survival in life-threatening situations, it can be counterproductive in modern life, where we rarely face physical threats. Instead, our stresses are often psychological, such as work pressures, financial worries, or personal relationships. Chronic stress, often triggered by non-life-threatening events, can keep the body in a constant state of heightened alert, leading to a range of health problems, including anxiety, depression, and cardiovascular disease. Understanding this response and learning to manage stress effectively is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being in today's fast-paced world.